gestures are observed at Silla. Ji, what do you do at Silla?
I communicate in English.
I communicate in English. Ji, again something new. Again something new. Very good, beta. I communicate in English. Ji. Now, which means that the communication is done in English. Communication is ensured in English.
The English communication is there.
Absolutely right, no? It is ordered, you know. Which means that English communication is ensured, is done, clear, is practiced, is followed, is adopted. That's the name. Very good.
Repeated.
जी बेटा?
Repeated.
Is repeated. Communication is done, बेटा. Do communication. जी.
I learn how to find justice.
I learn how to find justice or do justice.
Find justice.
I learn, जी, any one of you. I learn how to do or find justice as Ella.
Which means that it is learned.
Very good. It is learned how to do justice, how to find justice. क्लियर होगी बात ये? मेरे ख्याल बात ही नहीं कर सकते, बात की क्लियर है।
Justice नहीं होगा।
बात क्लियर होगी?
Yes, sir.
So let's know, begin with the lesson of today. I requested you yesterday to coin how many sentences? 5 sentences under each format. And the formats were 4, 5 and 6. And format 4 is based on format number 7. Format 5 is based on format number 8. 5, 6 is based on F9. Points clear? Let's go. It was what is being done in the classroom now. अब ये इस classroom में क्या किया जा रहा है? What is being done at Silla now? What is being done in the classroom now? ये बात clear हुई? ये हमने कल किया था ना ये वाला? Very good. The lecture is being attended. बेटा समझे पहले इसे बाद में लिखिए यार ये लिखा हुआ है ये देर ये इसमें लिखा हुआ है तो फिर क्यों वक्त जाया करने को किस दिशा पे फिर बहुत सारे जानते हैं हाँ जी now Mr. Ong says that the lecture is being attended at Silla. Lecture attend किया जा रहा है. My question is for how long? याद है कुछ? How long has? Try to understand my question. How long has the lecture been being attended at Silla? For D.
The lecture has been being attended for 30 minutes.
Very good, better. The lecture has been being attended. The lecture has been being noted. The lecture has been being understood. The lecture has been being penned down. The lecture has been being recorded. Clear? For 30 minutes. But clearly, since when? Complete answer.
7:30.
Complete answer.
Lecture has been
Attended since 8 a.m. Since 8 a.m. Clear? Since no, since the last arrival of the candidate of the learner. Clear? Since we came to know that none else is now going to arrive. Clear? बात clear होगी? हाँ जी.
Since the last minute arrived.
Since the last, very good. Since the last learner, the student arrived at Silla. Very good. बात clear होगी? No. Everybody, you बनाए हुए sentences. आपके साथ the lecture is being G. Please. क्या होगा जी? The first sentence, it's you now to complete it, to add 2 sentences. For example, gentleman says the lecture is being attended. आपने कहना है जी the lecture has been being attended for 30 minutes. The lecture has been being attended. बात क्लियर हुई बात है जी जी ताकि प्रैक्टिस सेशन में सवाल पूछूंगा पहले सेंटेंस जी अगेन बेटा प्लीज The lecture is being attended.
The lecture has been being attended for 30 minutes. The
Okay.
lecture has been being attended since 8 p.m.
Since 8
a.m.
नमी का सुन मैं कल में करी जी what is being done at Silla now? भाई जी कौन आ गया लिख कर दो सुपर लिख
The ideas are being shared.
Very good. The ideas are being shared. For how long?
The ideas have been
आगे लगा. Very good. Very good. The ideas, and you know that it's who be, it's who a. Who be, कितना सौ का जगह में I, we, you, they, plural noun आ गए जी have लग रहा है. लंबी हो जाने जी. How big that is? Who a and who b. Simple. फिर की पहली फॉर्म लगाते हैं जी. B1 finish. ing फॉर्म का इस्तेमाल होता है. No, before we brief. जितने ब्रीफ हो गए इतने कंसेप्ट खैरुल कलाम में मक़ल्ला बदल्ला. Prophet ﷺ says the best words of those the what मक़ल्ला बदल्ला which are not so qaleel, not so brief. जी please explain. अच्छा वो क्या है आप ही what is that? You keep on, please. Keep on practicing. Keep on practicing, please. Keep on practicing.
yes sir.
Sir, I am one
I am penning down the lecture here. The lecture is being penned down. Penned down. ये बनाया the idea
Are being shared.
the ideas have been being recording
जी
the ideas have been being shared for 30 minutes.
Okay. Since when?
The ideas have been being shared since morning.
Since morning. मैं क्या समझा morning को क्यों? Be specific. Be to the point. Since when?
8 o'clock.
Since 8. और फिर मैं o'clock का समझा रात है. Since 8 o'clock in the morning. No correct. No. और सिर्फ नहीं कहते कि बड़ी चीज है. Since 8 a.m. So thank you. Since 8 a.m. No. Since the class started. Clear? जी. जी बेटा बताइए. The effective effective flow of information and flow of communication is being learned. For how long?
The effective